What do you do when it's the end of January and it's 51 degrees? You ride, baby. Well, no duh. Of course that means you ride. Guys, it's 51 degrees, if you can believe that. 51 degrees out today, and it's January 28th, so gotta take advantage of this really nice weather. Just getting out today to ride a little bit, no real big plans. If you're a consistent viewer of the channel, you'll know that my buddy Owen rides with me a lot. Unfortunately, we're not riding with him today because he is, quote, in the trenches. He's in med school, so he's doing med school stuff. I'm not a med school guy, not smart enough, so I'm just gonna ride. But just me today, we're gonna see what we can't get into. Dude, people in this city are so dumb, bro. So dumb. Turn? Yeah, we can turn. Yeah, you like a wheelie? She was saying something. I don't know what she was saying. Guys, I'm gonna head up to the strip right up top here. Just get a couple wheelies in. Just again, try to get some nice, slow, pretty far back balance point wheelies, and just see what we can do progression-wise. Yep. Guys, I cannot ride with music on. Like, I'm blasting my music, and it just totally doesn't help me focus. Also, this freaking, need to fix this jacket. It's getting in my way on my throttle hand. Tighten this thing up. Gotta rip our daily donut, of course. Oh, I guess I gotta try my daily donut on the pavement too. Get this poor clean bike a little dirty. Easy on that. Let's try it now on the pavement. Hey! Oh, C8. Then we're just spinning here. C8 Corvette, they're pretty fresh. Not as fresh as a wheelie on a Honda CRF 250L though. Supermoto. Quite interested in seeing what this is. End of road work. This would definitely be easier on the old dirt wheels. Just go straight up, right? Ha ha ha! I don't know if this is like a walking path or what. Haha, supermoto things. Gotta be careful because we really don't have a lot of grip on these. We've got like the Michelin Pilots, I believe, and they're not super grippy off-road, I can tell you that. But they're really grippy on the road. Careful for sticks. Whew. You just give it a little gas and the rear end kicks right out. Whew. That was a fun little excursion. Guess we can just go this way. Not a lot of bikes out. Not any bikes out. Wow, look, we're in neutral, but it's not showing neutral. Isn't that interesting? Just no traction whatsoever in here. Oh shit, that's probably shouldn't ride on this grass. Looks like they're trying to grow it. That's my bee. Guys, I wonder if I can do a stoppie. Never really tried it. Oh! Oh! We did do it. Got the rear wheel up. Oh, there we go. Oh, these are real baby stoppies. Oh, yeah. I see quickly how people endo these and just go over the front handlebars very easily. nice and slow. Well, that doesn't look good. What the hell? Did this just vibrate out? I gotta screw this back in. I hope I have a tool on me. Well, let's see. What the hell, bro? Why did that just start coming unscrewed? Oh, yeah. Alright, good as new. Trusty Leatherman, always coming in handy to have this on the bike, that's for sure. It's nice. That's 1000R. Nice, I like it. Oh, he's got the friggin' brake lights on his helmet too. That's actually pretty cool. Bye-bye. That is a sweet Mercedes. That thing is sweet, man. That thing is awesome. Did you restore the whole thing? Yeah. Wow, what year is it? 1960. 1960, dude, the thing is beautiful. Really clean. All comes with the territory, right?
Sign up for it.
Exactly. Have a good one. Holy shit, what a hole. How is he trying to block me? No, he's just literally jumping in front of everyone. What a prick, dude. Classic Philly, bro. He asked for a wheelie, I'll give him one. You want to sit? Yes, sir. See a quad over there. Woo! What's good, bro? How you doing?
Good.
Good. Are you? All right, word. What you riding? Oh, this is dope, dude. Just throw it in the back of there? Dude, that's the setup. What are you riding?
Right there.
Oh, that's yours. Is it a Raptor? Or is it like a... YFZ 450. That's dope. That's dope.
So, that's a camera?
Yeah, yeah, it's a GoPro. I got it. Yeah, yeah.
I want one of those. So...
This dude's scaring me on that. Yeah, I think this will do for a good little thumbnail spot right in front of this old little thing. Dude, they've got these friggin' army helicopters just flying everywhere. Oh, maybe they're practicing for the NFC Championship, now that I think of it. Yeah, the Eagles play the Niners tomorrow. Let's hope they smack them. I want a decisive win, and then we'll go to the fucking Super Bowl, so that would be really, really sick. And Philly's just gonna explode if we go to the Super Bowl again. Like, if we win tomorrow, sheesh, it's gonna be insane. Oh yeah, everyone wants a picture of the Rocky sign. Oh, look at all those ugly Niners jerseys, dude. Gross, gross, gross. Oh, got it all decorated for the Eagles. Let's go. That is sick.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Wait. Hold up, Q. Yeah, feel like I'm at the top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics.
Yeah, guys, pretty cool. So they have all of the Eagle stuff set up here. They've got a flag all the way up top there in the columns. Jalen Hurts, Devontae Smith, Boston Scott, Darius Slay, all around here. Tons of people here. Got some Niners fans, some Birds fans, mostly Birds fans, but yeah, this is pretty sick. Guys, so it's a very populated area, and I don't know if I should do a wheelie or not, so I'm going to ask Siri. If it's heads, then I'll do a wheelie. If it's tails, then I won't. It's heads. All right, we got a wheelie. It said heads. We had to do it. I don't think the cops are even there anymore anyways. Well guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I'm gonna call it. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time. Peace. To the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the